name is Tobias Wedderburn. I am playing the Emperor's Father and Meepers. The Emperor's Father is pretty much a lot like the Emperor in many ways, but he's also just the authoritative side of parents. My girlfriend is a really keen cook and baker, so I thought I'd try my own hand at trying to bake her something, so I thought I'd make Rice Krispie cakes, which is what my mum used to make for me when I was younger, and didn't realise that you're not supposed to cook them in the oven, which kind of makes sense because that would just melt them. But yeah, it did that. In the show I'm playing the acoustic guitar and the banjo, which is really nice because I've never played banjo in my life, so it's a new experience. Gives a really nice feel to the show, being able to play a lot of music live.